guys, let's make popcorn today, and the flavor is sea salt and pepper. So let's make it. And you have to read the instructions, and then we have to do it like this. Then we have to microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then let's put it inside. And it says keep it this way, and then microwave it for 2 minutes. Guys, can you see that it's like popping? Smells so good. Wow. It's finally ready. Look at the smoke, guys. Okay, it's warm right now, so we will take it out in 2 minutes. So it's already 2 minutes and I am back, and now this is kind of okay, so let's open it. So you can see the hole in this. Just try to open it like this, and here we go, it's open. Look at this, guys, it looks so good. Let's try it. Guys, it tastes so good. You should try it. I hope you will enjoy this popcorn. Thank you for watching.